Hi everyone, my name is Grace. I am taking this opportunity to welcome you to the Enlightening Nest channel where we discuss about parenting, mental wellness, mental health, child growth and development, real life experiences, and we learn from one another. We learn from past experiences and we make a good future ahead. I'm welcoming you to be watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe, share, and comment. Share your thoughts and experiences so that a person can learn from your experiences and also we can learn from one another. Remember, there is no one who is perfect in life. We learn through mistakes, try and error, and everything that there is. Thank you very much as you continue subscribing. Yes.